What's up, family? Welcome back to another edition of SOFOCUSED Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. So today what we got the Dslr Pro Drone Ultimate Cinema Kit. So yes, like I said, this is the ultimate cinema kit. This is not like, you know, your toy drone or nothing crazy like that. This is the official joint. This is what they use to make videos, wedding photographers, you know, aerial views for like real estate and stuff like that. So we got the drone. We're going to go through it real quick. And by the way, this one is a flip. If you're interested, hit me up. 800 bucks. Hit me up. Alright, t-shirt campaign still going on. Hit me up. Send your t-shirts, send your apparel to 888-C, 8th Avenue, Suite 225, New York, New York, 10019. Alright, let's get into this drone real quick. Right in time for the summer. So like I said, this is the ultimate cinema kit. So this is everything that you get in the box when you get it. Obviously, you get the hard case that you just saw. So you get some packaging right here to put all your wires in when you traveling. You get your propeller guards, each side, 4 of them, 4 propeller guards. It's a lot of stuff that you get in here, so we're just going to lay them out while we take them out. If you like flying drones, you know, this is it right here. So what you also get, this is the cinema kit. You get a screen that you hook on to the remote, which is a Futaba remote, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. So you get the screen, HDMI plugs on the back, RCA, AV. You charge it up regular. That's how you would charge this up. Everything has its own chargers, car chargers. We got 6 batteries, which I'm going to show you in a minute. This thing is loaded. This is everything you need in the box right here. So that's the screen, so you don't need your phone or nothing like that. This is the Futaba remote. This right here is worth 400 bucks within itself. Check eBay. This thing is it's not a toy. This is like ultimate legit. This is like, you know, top of the line stuff. Let me see if I power it up real quick. You see that? Right there, touch screen, all of that. Give you your flight time, give you all your specs. Let me go back and so we could get to the, show you all the give you all your flight times and everything. See that right there? This is the Futaba remote. DSLR Pros at the top, but it's by Futaba. So this remote alone goes for 400 bucks, like 360 on eBay. So like I said, this is not a toy like for kids or whatever. You got your scroll buttons right here for your camera, for your gimbal. I'm including, if I sell this quick, I'm including a GoPro 5, I'm including that. If you're interested, I'm including that with the package. Alright, let's get this back in focus. Alright, so that's the controller with the GoPro. That's a GoPro 5 session right there. This is the unit itself. If you ever, you know, flew a drone, you know what's up. This is the Phantom. The battery goes in here. We'll link up a battery just to show that it works. Come with 6 batteries. So I got 6 batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the 6th one is the one I'm going to link up right now to show you that this thing is working. This is the 6th one. All you do, this one hasn't been calibrated in a while, but I'm going to show you that it works. This battery should have some juice. You heard that? It links right on. You see that flashing? It needs to be calibrated. It has the not microfiber. It has the propellers. The propellers are it's not called microfiber. I'll just forget the name right now. Oh, carbon fiber. Carbon fiber propellers. That's the DSLR logo. That's the gimbal going that you hear right there. The gimbal. The battery goes right in there. And this is the gimbal. And like I said, it needs to be calibrated. So obviously when it's calibrated, that light right there will start to blink green. Got your antenna for flying far distances. So this thing is loaded. Like I said, this is the one they use to make videos and stuff like that. All you hear when you're hearing that, that's the gimbal spinning. This part is a little loose. You put your gimbal in there. It doesn't have the original camera, but like I said, right there, I'm including the GoPro Session 5. So you would just put your camera right in there like that, and you will rock out. Boom. So that's the unit itself. Let me plug that out because that's going to keep making noise. It's going to keep wanting us to find it. So that's the unit itself right there. What else we got? Oh, got these also. This is not your your regular standard drone. It comes with goggles. So you could look through the goggles while you're flying it. So these are brand new, never used. Check that out. It has all the buttons at the top. Right there, you see all the buttons, volume, camera. You have your band, your channel, and your track. All the buttons right there. The goggles. So you can see, you can put these on your head and you can see what's going on with the gimbal while it's up in the air. Dope. Put that back in focus. Let's get through this real quick. So that's the goggles with its own case, all wires and everything inside the case. These goggles alone, 150 bucks. So between the Futaba and these, you're looking at 550 bucks already. Like I said, I could easily separate everything and sell it piece by piece, but I don't got the time or the patience for that. So $800 for the whole thing. Come with all your wires, your car wire, your plug-ins, your wires for the side of the battery connector, which I'm gonna show you right now. It has a battery connector. You hook that up. DSLR Pro's camera connector. This is how you charge your batteries on the side. You charge it right here through that port, or you plug these in. You plug these in like this. And you plug the battery into one of those. Just like that. Digital display when it lights up. So you rock out just like that. Boom. So that's the battery charger. The charger for the battery, the AC outlet. And what else we got? Oh, we got propellers in the packet. Brand new, just in case you crash it or whatever. These are in the package, original from DSLR Pros. Boom. So that's that. Oh, I'm not gonna take all of these out. Oh, let me put that back in focus. So you got extra motors for the propellers. All four propeller motors. Extra wires and landing gear in the package. And you got the checklist. You got all your manuals. That's for the battery charger. And all your manuals and everything. Like I said, this is official. Give you a checklist of everything that you got. Operating. Give you everything. That's for the screen. And you got your GoPro remote. Right there. GoPro remote. And you have some antennas that you hook onto it, you know, to get better flight. So all of that right there, $800 if you're interested. Get you a nice little drone for the summertime. Can't go wrong. Like I said, this is the ultimate cinema kit. This is not a toy. This is, you know, not your average drone. This is official. So I'm flipping this one for $800. If you want it, let me know. This probably is gonna go fast. You know, like I said, it's not probably gonna go to like a child or something. It's probably gonna go to like an adult looking to you know, make moves and, you know, do wedding photography, videos, you know, real estate. You know, like when they do on the Google Maps, they show you like the aerial view of real estate. You know, stuff like that. So this is what this drone is. Ultimate Cinema Kit. DSLR. If you're interested, hit me up. Thank you everybody for following the channel. Appreciate it. Leave a comment below. Link. Check out the website, SOFOCUSED.BIZ. We still got t-shirts on there. You know what? Do what you do. That's it. Ultimate DSLR Cinema Kit. Let me know if you want it. If not, it's here. Like I say at the end of every video, 3 things in life you got to remember. Trust God, love family, and stay focused.